Today, we are gonna make an apple tree with our Play-Doh, some caps, and some palms or apples. First, we'll pull Play-Doh off and make some pieces. I'm pulling with my thumb and all of my fingers. Pull. Now I'm going to put on the caps. They're like little cups. And now I'm going to add my apples. My Play-Doh and my caps could be anywhere on the Play-Doh mat. I'm going to put them on using my thumb and my pointer. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I put on 4 apples. Now it's your turn to try.